Hello, here I am. Testing, testing. One, two, three. Okay, I myself can see myself in the camera. Brilliant. Right. Well, hello. Nice to see you again. I can't remember the last time I recorded a video. Oof, it was a long time ago. Well, anyway, this one is going to be to review a bit how we use the negative form of the past in English, right? As you can see, we've got this exercise, yeah, that I mean, most of you do it well, do it correctly, but some of you have some trouble of using the past in a negative way, yeah. For example, if you see this exercise that we already did in class, say think about your last year in school at school. Think about your last year at the school, right? Um, and then just use make sentences in past what you did last year at the school using different verbs. For example, you've got here the the example, this a structure that we can follow. It says last year I studied the planets, but I didn't study the ecosystems. Looked like whenever we use the past in English, yeah, we say I didn't, we didn't, you didn't, you in the negative form, and that's it. Okay, so here we say I studied, that's past, last year, but I didn't study. Okay, if you were to say I didn't study, God, that sounds terrible. Don't say it. Okay, people are going to understand you, but it sounds terrible. So we're going to see some examples with this, right? So you get the idea. Let's come here. And for example, last year at the school, imagine you say using the verb like subjects you like, subjects you didn't like. For example, last year I liked maths, but I didn't. Okay, I don't know. You didn't like English, maybe. Who knows? I like English. Okay, and as you can see here, you've got I liked, but I didn't like. Otherwise, if you were to say I didn't like, that sounds terrible. No, don't do it. Sometimes you say this mistake. I even have this one. Don't, I don't like liked. Oh, that's terrible as well. Okay, don't say that. Don't say that. So we know that when you want to say something in negative in past, you say didn't. Okay, didn't like, didn't like English. And here we can make lots of examples. For example, on a school trip, you say last year I went to visit the Lacasitos factory. For example, I went to visit the Lacasitos factory, but I didn't go. I didn't go to Huesca. Okay, I went to visit the Lacasitos factory. Didn't go to Huesca. Or last year, we played basketball in the playground, but we didn't play. We played. We didn't play. Okay, again, we're going to write examples so you get the idea better. Last year we went to visit the Lacasitos factory, but we didn't go to Huesca. Okay, and again, as you can see here, we went, right? We didn't go. Yeah, and it's always the same. We saw a cartoon film in class, but we didn't see a horror film, for example. And it is like that every time. Okay, I don't think I have to say much else. But what you could do, and this is fantastic, if you sign in like me with my Google account, yeah, as you can see here, you say with your Google account. Mine is Nacho Cruz at CP Monrado Des. You go to Google and you will get this. So you can use AI, which is fantastic to work yourself in English at home. Your parents don't have to help you. It could be just you. So, for example, here you start and you tell, you ask artificial intelligence, can't you help me correcting some sentences, for example? Okay, can you help me? Sure, that would actually okay. That so option one, paste your text here. They're gonna help us. Okay, so for example, imagine I'm gonna put the Lacasitos thing again, right? For example, last year we went to visit the Lacasitos factory, but we didn't. Imagine I didn't went to Huesca. This is the same, but I'm just putting a mistake, okay? So that's why you can use it. You just write your own sentence, and AI will, artificial intelligence AI will correct it, okay? Look at this, look at this. This is amazing, this is amazing. Look at this. You want to visit, but we didn't go, and it corrects it to you, which is fantastic. Here's the explanation for the correction. Original, we didn't went to Huesca, correct, we didn't go to Huesca. And here they explained it to you, okay? When using the auxiliary verb did not to form a negative sentence in the oh my god, what did I do? What have I done? Well, there you go. So well, the thing is that the main verb that follows must be in its base form, infinitive without to. In this case, what is go? I mean, this maybe it's more a bit more difficult to understand, but it's what I told you. Okay, so the thing is, it's not we didn't went, it's we didn't go. Right? So just please, artificial intelligence, tell me how it goes, and if you got any trouble, just let me know. Very happy to be recording new videos here, and obviously you can suggest me to do any videos about anything you have trouble with. All right, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.